Matter. Today I would like to tell you about my website project for the University College in subject BI3 306. So before we start, you need to prepare something before we go to the next step. First, install SAMPP application control panel in the version 3.2.1. You need to have same exactly a SAMPP file because I use all language for this, and I use my database MySQL, not MySQL, but now SAMPP have updated to version 7. I already included a SAMPP control panel file. For this project, you have to download it later, and you need to prepare for the file. You download it and extract this file. So this is file for our website project. This is the all file included, and you need to focus it in database folder. This file, what we are looking forward to import it later in phpMyAdmin on your local host database. So we are ready to go. First, you need to go to localhost database, click this, or you can write on your lovely browser localhost phpMyAdmin. This is what it looks like on your database dashboard. This is how to create a new database. Is click new in the left menu and write it name. You can use this name, or you can create new one. In this case, I already use that name, so I need a new name, learning one. Okay, I use this for the easy and simple way. Create it, and we are successful to create a new database. Now we need to import the file we are tell it about before. Click this menu, import, in the top navigation bar, and click browse, and we are going to find that file. They copy it to the heterodocs, and oh, I'm sorry, I forget to copy the file. This file you need to copy to the XAMPP folder. Copy what the folder is in the local DC inside the SAMPP folder and heterodocs folder. You can paste here. Why we are going do this? Because we need to call the project from the local host server into our web browser. Now we are finished to copy this. Here the database is you can import it wherever the file is, but I think this is the simple way. So click it and click go. Now we have done. This is our new database that we have already imported. There is many table in the database. This is the name of the database, and this is the table inside the database. So we are looking forward to try about the website. You can write in your browser localhost with the name of the folder we have copied before. Is E. Enter. Yes, we're done. Yes, we're done. Perfectly. We have a new database with a many table inside the database. Now, what step next is open the file and change it. Open the folder file and go through the connection file. This is what we need to do is changing database name or updated the database name with our new database. You can edit with IDE like Dreamweaver or Notepad++. In that case, in here I using Atom. For I like this the template because it's not risk for the eye, and I lovely like the design is. Now back to the main topic. Here is our project. I already add project folder in htdoc, so all my folder in htdoc in here. This is our file I've already copied before and pasted in the htdocs, and now we are going to change the connection PHP syntax. This is MySQL Connect is to connect it to the server we have made. We are using a local server, so we need to create localhost with a username root and empty password. So after this we need to connect the database what we are made before. What we made before is called e-learning 1. In here is learning, so we are need to update with +1. This is our new database. We save it, and now we are going to the browser and write on your URL browser with localhost and the name of the folder we have pasted before. Well done. This is our project. Now we need to test of the responsive of this project. Here is test for the if look is responsive to many space size. They will still good looking. Now we need I would like to introduce for the full page version. What we have done for this project is this project is like enrollment, student dashboard, and lecturing for the. In this website we have 3 user difference. First is admin, second is lecture, and third is student. For admin, I already registered for admin. It's password, username admin, and password admin. So welcome admin. This is admin dashboard. Admin can add and create a course that student will enrollment later. Click the create course. Before we that, we need to view, or admin can view who registered to this website. Student register or lecture, and admin can view the list of the course that have been enrolled, and admin can edit the last course that have been made. This is we can edit here. Course V87, and admin can create a new course. Let's see. This is class ID that is being primary in this table. So let's take a look. There is a BIT306 that we create a same ID BIT306 web pro. Our key is 134 and lecture is Elisa Young. Create that would be a register fail. So we need to test to add a course with new ID 3020 is web new, and our key is 1234. I'm sorry. And this lecture is too confusing, right? Of course, it's great success. Now we have done in admin dashboard. We are going forward to the lecture dashboard. So we are logged in. Oh, you can register here in student or lecture. I show you later, but in here I already made it for the lecture. It's too bagus, and password is 1234. Sign in. This is what looks like for the admin dashboard. And lecture is can create course or topic, what he teach for, and lecture can upload an assignment and see who have uploaded for the answer. Yeah, and this is a statistic for the lecture activation, and here is same for the assignment, and this is forum for, and the last is forum for the discussion. So let's see student dashboard. Student I have already made is job for this example is admin. Password is 1234, and this is the student admin dashboard. Student can take a look for their course. Here is what we made before the changing ATO, and here is the new course that we have made, and here is the new what have we made. And we can, this lecture we can add the assignment. The file name is assignment1, and upload the file assignment. Okay, that's this. Okay, upload. Okay, this is the assignment file we have already uploaded from the lecture dashboard. So we are going to the student dashboard and enrollment, the course before the, so the password is 1234 enroll, and there is very successful the enroll, and we are going to the course. There is some error that I have encountered this website, but it should be run correctly. But in here in this tutorial I already made some example. This is a column of the table for uploaded answer assignment. Let's see, for this column we have need to submit and upload some file, and let's see this one. Okay. And answer one uploaded. Okay, and this is an error, and this is going have been here, but I think there is some problem. Later I will correctly, but I will follow this tutorial for next step. So this is the static status is for the how activity the student is, and this is the forum. Lecture or student can create category for the topic hello web tech the IT 306, and create a topic for a web tech, and Ajax is difficult. See, we have before we have 2 category, and now we have 3 category. And this is the view, and it should be have reply in here, but you need to sign in. But in here we have noticed some problem. But in this case, what I'm trying to make for the forum is 50% is success or included. So we're done in this tutorial. So we're done for this forum, and I would like to introduce for the registering. So first, I want to, this register is same, but the difference is from the database table. So let's see student table. In this case, I just for record for one table. Here is the list of the student table, and I would like to register a new student. I click student, and this is the student ID, and the name is web student. Password is 1234. Email is webt@gmail.com. Full name is Webtechnology student. Okay, and create account. Register success, and we see here. Refresh it. Student. So this is the new student what we have met before. We successfully. Well done for this follow instructions tutorial, and the conclusion for this website, for this project, is this is what I made so far. There is some bugs that I have encountered that I can't fix it. What I learning this for this project of this subject is I'm really excited for making the website, and I got a full stress for the first time I made a website exactly in the PHP language. This website is not perfectly, but this is what I so far made, and hopefully you like it and enjoy my project. Thank you for listening and time you have taken for this tutorial, and see ya later. Bye bye.